So in the 24.1 Ecology, the interconnecting web of life. The study of ecology includes both living or biotic and non-living or abiotic components of the earth. So the ecosystems are organizations of living populations in specific habitats, and the environmental ecosystem requires a continuous outside source of energy for survival in the non-living habitat consisting of soil, water, and air. So we need the soil, water, and air. In a living community, it is composed of populations that show a pattern of energy and nutritional relationships, and it is called a food web, wherein the microorganisms are essential producers and the decomposers in any ecosystems is so the natural recycling of bioelements. So the nutrients and the minerals necessary to communities and ecosystem must be continuously recycled in order to sustain life. So these geochemical cycles involve transformation of elements from inorganic to organic, it forms and back again. So specific types of microorganisms are needed to convert many nutrients from one form to another. So we need to recycle it. So the elements of critical of importance to all ecosystems that cycle through various forms are carbons, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and water. So carbon and nitrogen are part of the atmospheric cycle, so it can be found in our atmosphere, and the sulfur and phosphorus are part of the sedimentary cycling of nutrients. So that is the different elements that we can found. The lithosphere is an ecosystem in which mineral-rich rocks are decomposed to organic humus, the base for soil community. So the deep subsurface below and the sea is colonized by a rich array of microbes that have a wide varieties of metabolic capabilities. So the food community is built on phytoplankton and zooplankton. The nature, the aquatic community varies with the temperature, depth, and also minerals and amount of light present in each zone. So in the lesson 24.3, the microbes on land and in water. So the Earth's land, water, and air are colonized by more microbes than we ever imagined. We have discovered the magnitude of their numbers through metagenomics, the sampling of environment for DNA sequence. In 24.4, the concept of One Health. One Health is a concept that captures the interrelated nature of microbes and environment and animals, including us humans. So human activity that alters one of the three components of health can trigger unintended consequences in disease epidemiology. So a clear example of this is the northward spread of disease carried by mosquitoes due to warming climate. So as of today, there are many mosquitoes that are flying around because one of the cause of this is the global warming. So that's the end of our discussion in the lesson 24.